Hi po, magandang araw po. Ako po si Mai. Today, we're learning how to talk about weather in Tagalog. The Tagalog word for weather is panahon. In this lesson, I'll be focusing on useful phrases and vocabularies that will help you sound more fluent and confident when talking about and describing the weather. Paglalarawan sa panahon. Before we start, think about the weather today. Bago tayo magsimula, isipin mo ano ba ang panahon ngayon? Ilarawan mo ang panahon ngayon. Describe the weather today. Is it sunny? Maaraw ba? Cloudy? Maulap ba? Rainy? Maulan? Or cold? Malamig ba? Keep that in mind as we learn the useful phrases and vocabularies relating to weather o panahon. Magsimula na tayo. In Tagalog, the word panahon can mean weather, season, or even time. But for this lesson, we're focusing on weather and seasons. Now, here are some useful phrases and vocabularies you can use when describing the weather in Tagalog. I'll say each one and you can repeat after me. Ano ang panahon ngayon? Ano ang panahon ngayon? What's the weather today? Ayon sa ulat panahon? Ayon sa ulat panahon? According to the weather forecast? Maganda ang panahon. Maganda ang panahon. The weather is nice. Katamtaman ang temperatura ngayon. Katamtaman ang temperatura ngayon. The temperature is moderate today. Maulap buong araw. Maulap buong araw. It's cloudy all day. Masama ang panahon ngayon. Masama ang panahon ngayon. The weather is bad today. May kulog at kidlat. May kulog at kidlat. There is thunder and lightning. Maaraw kahapon. Maaraw kahapon. It was sunny yesterday. Maaliwalas ang panahon ngayon. Maaliwalas ang panahon ngayon. The weather is clear today. Medyo makulimlim na yung hapon. Medyo makulimlim na yung hapon. It's slightly gloomy this afternoon. Or, it's a bit overcast this afternoon. Maulan kanina. Maulan kanina. It was rainy earlier. Umuulan ng malakas. Umuulan ng malakas. It's raining hard. Bumuhos ang malakas na ulan. Bumuhos ang malakas na ulan. The rain came down really hard. Or, it poured heavily. Or, the heavy rain poured down. Malamig ba dyan ngayon? Malamig ba dyan ngayon? Is it cold there today? Napakalamig ngayon. Napakalamig ngayon. It's very cold today. May niebe. May niebe. There is snow or it's snowy. May yelo sa daan. May yelo sa daan. There's ice on the road. Mainit ba dyan? Mainit ba dyan? Is it hot there? Sobrang mainit kaninang tanghali. Sobrang mainit kaninang tanghali. It was very hot earlier at noon. Mataas ang temperatura ngayon. Mataas ang temperatura ngayon. The temperature is high today. Mababa ang temperatura ngayong umaga. Mababa ang temperatura ngayong umaga. The temperature is low this morning. Mahangin ngayon. Mahangin ngayon. It's windy today. May baha dito. May baha dito. There is a flood here. Or it's flooded here. May bagyo sa Pilipinas ngayon. May bagyo sa Pilipinas ngayon. There's a typhoon in the Philippines right now. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. The breeze is cool. Maalinsangan ngayon. Maalinsangan ngayon. It's humid today. Or it feels muggy today. Mataas ang halumigmig ngayon. Mataas ang halumigmig ngayon. The humidity is high today. May buhawi. May buhawi. There's a tornado. Malakas ang buhawi. Malakas ang buhawi. The tornado is strong. May paparating na buhawi. May paparating na buhawi. A tornado is approaching. Medyo umaambon. Medyo umaambon. It's drizzling a bit. May ambon. May ambon. There's a light drizzle. Mahamog sa labas. Mahamog sa labas. It's foggy outside. As I have mentioned earlier, in Tagalog, the word panahon can mean weather, but it also can mean season, depending on the context. So next, we'll look at how to talk about the seasons in Tagalog and how they change throughout the year sa Pilipinas at sa Estados Unidos. Now, let's look at some useful phrases and vocabularies related to panahon as season. Tag-init. Tag-init. Hot season. Tag-init ngayon sa Pilipinas. Tag-init ngayon sa Pilipinas. It's hot season in the Philippines right now. Tag-ulan. Tag-ulan. Rainy season. Ang tag-ulan sa Pilipinas ay mula Hunyo hanggang Nobyembre. Ang tag-ulan sa Pilipinas ay mula Hunyo hanggang Nobyembre. The rainy season in the Philippines is from June to November. Taglamig. Taglamig. Winter. Ang taglamig sa Estados Unidos ay mula Disyembre hanggang Pebrero. Ang taglamig sa Estados Unidos ay mula Disyembre hanggang Pebrero. Winter in the United States is from December to February. Tagsibol. Tagsibol. Spring. Karaniwang maulan kapag tagsibol. Karaniwang maulan kapag tagsibol. It's usually rainy during spring. Tag-araw sa Hulyo. Tag-araw sa Hulyo. It's summer in July. Taglagas sa Oktubre. Taglagas sa Oktubre. It's fall in October. Taglagas ang pinakapaborito kong panahon. Taglagas ang pinakapaborito kong panahon. Fall is my absolute favorite season. Before we end, here's a quick reminder. When you hear the word panahon, always pay attention to the context. If it describes what's happening today, like if it's sunny, maaraw, rainy, maulan, windy, mahangin, or cloudy, maulap, then panahon means weather. But if it describes patterns that last for months, like rainy season, tag-ulan, hot season, tag-init, winter, tag-lamig, spring, tag-sibol, summer, tag-araw, or fall, taglagas, then panahon means season. So remember, context will always tell you which meaning is being used. Now that you've learned different useful phrases and vocabularies, just keep practicing. Mag-practice lang kayo, magsanay kayo. With consistency, you'll be able to talk about the weather confidently and naturally, helping you move toward fluency and a higher proficiency rating. And as you keep learning, remember this: small, consistent practice builds confidence. Say the phrases out loud, listen to how they flow, and use them whenever you can. Thank you for learning with me today. Salamat po at magkita-kita po ulit tayo sa susunod ha. See you in the next lesson. Inat!